Mom, I want to hide the Easter eggs super secretly so that no one can find them.
Okay, honey, you have to be careful and pay attention to safety.
Let me think. Where should I hide the Easter egg? What's wrong with you? Don't be afraid, I won't hurt you. My home is just ahead. Please be patient. This is it. My home is here. Mom, it's hurt. Can we help it?
Of course, dear. Let's bandage it up and let it rest.
Little bird, try eating a little bit and you'll be fine.
I'll help you clean the wound on your wing and bandage it with a cloth. Don't be nervous. You'll get better soon, little bird.
I have to go see the bird quickly. Wow, the bird woke up. Mom, come and see the little bird.
You look much better now.
Wow, you did it. You can fly. Mom, the little bird is flying well. Goodbye, little bird.
Little bird, be careful not to get hurt again. Goodbye. Honey, do you still want to hide the Easter eggs?
Yes, I'm going to hide the eggs.